All right, another day on the 95 XP project. The 96 over here in Winston. A little cameo from the dog, but here we are. Today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spray everything out. It's a little bit of a mess over here. Forgive us, we're cleaning up for spring. This is all gonna get cleaned up, look brand new. I'm gonna clean the hull out as best I can. Did find out that we have a fuel leak, so we are gonna fix that. There's a little bit of oil fuel mix in the hull, but that's okay. We're gonna get rid of all that. We're gonna clean it up. Take this out to the car wash. First I'm gonna dump all this crap out of here, but then we're gonna go ahead and take it to the car wash. I'm gonna spray everything else in Dawn and a degreaser, try and get everything cleaned up, and then we're gonna spray everything out, get rid of all this crap. And then yeah, we'll come back and show everybody the progress. Yeah, well, Lainey's here, Marky's here. Noah, leave your shoes on. Yeah, you can't be doing that here, pal. We're gonna go ahead and wash the jet ski. Completely dirty. Sprayed everything down on the inside, so we should have some good degreasing done. And yeah, we're gonna go for it. Just gonna take a little bit of time. A little bit of dirt up here, a lot up there, a lot in there, a little bit of dirt in there, a little residue, water, and then of course in here looks like crap, but everything's been degreased. So degreasing and dirty water. We're gonna go ahead and hose her down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get her done. All right, that's gonna do it, really. Lainey's just taking care of some of the little loose ends before we run out of time here. We got about 30 seconds left. We've done good. Everything looks pretty good in here. It's pretty much as clean as I'm gonna be able to get it without Isaiah's help. It cleaned up pretty good. We're definitely gonna have to get a new cover. This one's too gummy to save. But everything else came out real nice. Everything cleaned up beautifully. Water's a little dirty, but it's draining out, so we should be okay there. Yeah, looking good. All right, so we're back from the car wash. It definitely cleaned up quite a bit. Looks good. Definitely needs to be sanded, but I was looking for stress cracks and all that, and this looks really good. So still a little dirty in here. I sprayed it once with the pressure washer. I might end up just getting another bin, but so far it looks good. This all cleaned up okay. There definitely needs a little bit more. There's just quite a bit of dirt, and just didn't have a whole lot of time to fuss with it. This looks good in here. Engine turned out really good, so that looks awesome. Everything looks good down there. Back here definitely cleaned up a lot too. Still a little bit of grit and dirt in there, but we'll take care of that later. I just wanted to get the heavy stuff out. That'll spray out with a regular hose, so that was my goal. But yeah, here we are with that. Looks good. And then underneath the bin, probably could have hit this a little harder, but it's all good. This'll do for now. All right, so that's gonna do it for this. We're gonna move on to the next thing. We did get a big box of parts the other day, which I'll have to go over with everybody. This is pretty much gonna sit like this until I can get some more parts in. And yeah, I got some yard cleanup stuff and projects I want to do, but for now this will sit like this. Quite a bit of progress for one day, so I'll take that. I'm very happy with everything. I did notice that we have, it looks like he's got like a hose clamp wrapped around some weird like homemade seal, so we're gonna have to drill that out and actually fix it the right way with one of these Welsh plugs. So we're gonna have to put a new one in. So that one's good. This one down here, look, it's got like some homemade deal, but yeah. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. It's ready for wet sanding. It's ready for Isaiah to do his magic, and then we'll get the new decals on it. But yeah, that's where we're at for now. So take care. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.